Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electroonics. Today, we're diving into an exciting product review. If you're searching for headphones that deliver premium sound and long-lasting comfort, stick around because we're checking out the KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones over ear. Let's explore why these headphones might be your next favorite tech companion. First, let's talk about sound quality. The KVIDIO headphones feature dual 40mm drivers and noise isolation technology. Together, they create a hi-fi stereo experience, bringing deep bass and crisp audio that makes you feel like you're at a live concert. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, these headphones don't miss a beat. Comfort is key, and KVIDIO nails it. The over-ear design, paired with soft memory protein foam earmuffs, ensures all-day comfort. The adjustable headband and lightweight build make them a perfect fit for anyone, whether you're working long hours or traveling. Plus, the foldable design makes them super portable. Now, about connectivity. These headphones are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 for a seamless wireless experience and include a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. For even more versatility, there's an auxiliary cable to switch to wired mode whenever needed. The 65-hour battery life is another highlight, giving you days of uninterrupted listening on a single charge. So, what do you think of the KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones? Ready to upgrade your audio experience? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. Check the link in the description to grab your pair today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.